is Lucky English with Maria. How are you today? Fantastic? Good? Not so good? This video is correct your errors in English, easy ways to speak English better. Our sentence today is, I love listen classical music. This is so easy to fix and it sounds so much better. I love listening to. When you use the verb listen, you are almost always going to use the preposition to afterwards. So, some examples. I listen to podcasts to practice my English. Another example. What song are you listening to? What song are you listening to? One more example. Just a moment. We're listening to her. Any questions? There's another video in this playlist about remember. So check that out. And have a good day. Keep practicing your English. Bye-bye.